The power of gratitude, a spiritual secret. Gratitude isn't just a nice word, it's a quiet power that changes everything. There's a simple practice you can try. It takes minutes, but lifts your whole day. Every morning or night, name 3 things you're grateful for. They don't need to be big. Maybe it's warm coffee, maybe it's a friend's smile, maybe it's just waking up. Write them down if you want, or say them out loud to yourself. Now, pause. Feel the warmth creep in. Notice the lightness when you focus there. This isn't just positive thinking. Spiritually, it's deeper. It's like sending a signal to the universe. Traditions say it aligns you with abundance. It doesn't erase the hard stuff. It balances it with what's good. Try it today. Say, I'm grateful for this breath, this moment, this sky. Close your eyes. Let it sink in. That shift you feel is real. Your spirit wakes up. It tunes to a higher frequency. You can do this anywhere, in traffic, waiting for tea. It's free and always with you. Over time, it changes how you see things. Less lack, more enough. Studies say gratitude cuts stress. But spiritually, it's a thank you to life itself. What are your 3 today? Name them now. Feel them fully. Small joys turn sacred when you notice. That's the secret. It's yours to keep.